Hey guys, it's Karl with a K here at Long, Lewis & Hoover, and today I want to talk to you about the B&O Unleashed stereo system with 14 speakers. There are speakers in the headrest, there's speakers in the ceiling, there's tweeters in the A column, there's 14 speakers all in the truck. Very nice stereo system, and I'll show you a little excerpt here of a song. We'll play a little Pink Floyd, Learning to Fly. So you see, I barely have that thing turned up, but awesome stereo system. You can definitely crank it up and zone out to the music while you drive. Definitely highly recommend this Unleashed stereo system from Ford on the Unleashed B&O. Hope you guys learned a little bit more about this stereo system from Ford. And remember guys, if you're in the market for a vehicle, come to Hoover, ask for Karl with a K, and come get your keys from Karl. You guys have a great day.